Today I'm going to show you how I made these giant macaroons.
Or to be specific, it's a macaron. It's French.
So you're going to need two 6-inch, they're not styrofoam, they're actually polystyrene discs. And I usually buy them in bulk on Amazon because they can really add up if you buy them in singles at a craft store. And it's a softer kind of styrofoam material. So as you can see, I'm kind of filing the edge down. You do need a rounded edge on all of the discs that you're going to use. So now that you've rounded the discs, what you're going to do is you're going to add some lightweight spackle around the edges to help smooth things out. It adds a little bit of a nicer texture. You want these to be fairly smooth, so I am going to add this all the way around and just slightly underneath. Not the whole thing is going to show, so you don't have to do every single little piece of this thing. So once the spackle is dry, you can see there are some rough edges. That's totally okay, but you're going to have to go back through and re-sand that down. So that's what I'm going to do here and make sure everything is completely smooth. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and start painting. I'm just using an acrylic paint here. It's one of my favorites. I talk about it all the time. It's called Rosemary. It's from Michael's, and I mix it with white, and you get this most beautiful, glowy looking handy pink. After the paint is dry, you want to go ahead and Mod Podge this, and then we're going to add some glitter. The glitter I'm using is one of my favorites. It's called Glitz, and it's an iridescent glitter. It's a fine glitter. It's from Michael's. After that glitter dries, you want to go ahead and seal it again. Next, you're gonna take some lightweight spackling. You don't need any paint in it. I just put it inside of a frosting bag, and then you wanna pipe it along the edge here. Now this is your chance to adjust the height of your cookie here, because if it's not thick enough, you know, you want to go back and add some more, or you can squish it down, but you want to squish it toward the edge. This step is easiest to do if your inner spackle is already dry, because the top and bottom can squish around. So that is my recommendation. So I'm just going around the edge, and I'm trying to make the spackle a little bit more 3D. I want it to pop out further than the two sides of the macaroon. And then I'm just taking a damp, clean paintbrush, and I'm going around and I'm sculpting the spackle. And you can, like here, I had to clean up a little bit. That's okay while it's wet, and it's not going to show because I'm going to put an accent over that. But you're basically just smoothing it down, getting rid of any imperfections, and you're just making it look nice. You're gonna go ahead and wait until that dries, and then you can sand down any rough edges that you have. So next I'm gonna take this accent cord. So how I found this was, you can look up resin glitter cord or resin glitter rope on Amazon, or there's some stores that have it on Etsy. And I'm just gonna take my hot glue gun and glue that all the way around. And you can see I cut my cord just a little bit too short, so I just cut a little piece and glued that right in there, and you can't even tell. Next, I'm going to go ahead and Mod Podge my spackle in the center, and I'm going to go ahead and add some translucent glitter. I am using the fine glitter. It's called Glitz. It's from Michaels. When that glitter dries, you want to go ahead and seal it with more Mod Podge, and make sure that you have also sealed your top and bottom. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I love these. I love how they came out. I love the rainbow full of pastel colors. If you love pastel fake bakes as much as I do, make sure that you subscribe. I post a new tutorial every single Monday.